Introducing the Expert V-Air Double Slush Machine from Snowshock, one of the world's best performing slush machines, revolutionising how it's done. What makes the Expert V-Air Slush Machine special? Vertical airflow. This allows machines to be installed side by side without leaving any space for ventilation. Minimum space, maximum performance. Up to 30% more efficient, the Expert V-Air Slush machines are also event programmable and make profit from slush even easier. Our Expert V-Air Double Slush machine comes with two 12-litre slush tanks, high-performance freeze, intelligent motors, and many more innovations. When first purchasing an Expert V-Air Double Slush machine, we'll give you enough bottles of our top-selling slush syrups to recoup your outlay, along with 500 cups, straws, and Snowshock point-of-sale material. Simply add your syrup and water mix to each tank, wait a short time, and you're ready to start selling fabulous Snowshock slush. Plus, you'll get free delivery and 12 months comprehensive on-site warranty with Snowshock, as well as the friendly and expert backup that we are famous for. Snowshock slush machines are a seriously great investment for your outlet. Here's some numbers. An outstanding 80% is the typical profit margin of Snowshock slush. Top outlets can achieve a quick return on investment in a matter of weeks, and just 1 to 2 cups per day covers the energy cost of our most popular machines, even at today's prices. View our full range and order now at www.snowshock.com.